my recent trip to New York, I was lucky enough to visit Saratoga Springs. Now that is home to the club sandwiches. And may I say, I had some pretty delicious club sandwiches. Now, originally in a club sandwich, you would have some chicken, some ham, or some bacon. But I'm changing mine up because I'm going to be using some canned tuna and some mozzarella. It works a treat. And what makes it quite unique is combining the tuna with lots of different ingredients. It's certainly an elaborate sandwich and it is delicious. Let's start with the bread. So you'll need 3 slices per sandwich. That goes straight into the toaster. And we'll just toast them while we combine our mayonnaise and tuna ingredients. So some good quality whole egg mayonnaise. Be quite generous with it because this needs to bind everything together. To this, I'm going to add some hard-boiled egg that's been finely chopped. And all of these flavours just work so well, egg and tuna. So a good amount of our tuna. I like to use this one because it's in spring water and it's responsibly fished. And the addition of some French shallot, or you could use some red onion if you like. So now we're just going to mash everything together. Just give that a really good mix, and you want it to be almost paste-like. Now to add some extra flavour to this, fresh basil. Look at these stunning leaves. And we're just going to chiffonade this, which just means you're going to roll it up like a tight cigar. And we're just going to finely slice this. Basil and tuna just work so well together. Usually we're adding some tarragon or some dill, but basil is just a great addition. Sprinkle that in. And the freshness of some lemon zest. About half of this is plenty. All right, just fold that in. All right, that's fantastic. Now to prepare some extra things before we start building. Gherkins, thinly slice, just lengthways. Just pop them back onto the plate. Tomato, nice ripe tomato, thin slices. And always, when I'm adding tomatoes to a sandwich, a good pinch of salt to bring out its flavour and some freshly cracked pepper. I'm sure you guys do the same when it comes to tomatoes on a sandwich. All right, let's start the fun part. Our toast is perfectly toasted and we'll just lay them out. We'll start with our tuna mayonnaise on the bottom and we're going to spread that all the way to the sides. So really take your time just spreading that out. Next, I'm going to add another layer of our tuna mixture to the second piece of toast. Okay. I'll add some tomatoes to the base. Okay. We're going to top that like so. Some mozzarella. I want a really neutral cheese and you get that with this salty mozzarella. It's going to be lovely and creamy. I'm just going to cut that into slices. You can see how I'm playing with the different flavours here. Basil, mozzarella, tomato, tuna, all lovely Mediterranean style flavours. And that can go on top of the tuna. Okay. Finally, our lettuce, that can sit on top. And if you have some more of this mixture, let's just go all out and add just the last little bit. And this part of the spread, just make it quite thin. All right, lid on. And that's a serious sandwich right there. What I like to do is just trim the sides first. Squishing down on it, but not too much because I really want to see the height of that. And you can see how easy it is to slice when you're using a serrated knife because it can grip onto the crust really easily without squashing the sandwich too much. All right, next we're going to cut it into triangles. And have a look at the centre of that. Is that not the most perfect sandwich right there? And in true club sandwich style, we've got to cut it one more time, and this is where it gets tricky because you don't want it to squash, but just very carefully with your serrated knife, cut all the way through. Okay, and the next one. Okay, to plate this up, a really large oval plate. I'm gonna just place them onto one side. You can see all those lovely layers. And what is a club sandwich without chippies, crisps? And that right there is not your average sandwich. If you are hungry and craving a sandwich, then why not try the nostalgic club sandwich? Yes, usually done with chicken and bacon, but try it with tuna. It is super delicious. It's a real taste of New York right there.